we have here are 31 Aptos solar 400 watt bifacial panels that can reach up to 500 watts per panel, but we know we have 12.4 kilowatts. And those panels are going to be placed on these EG4 bright mount racking systems. The question is still to be answered whether I'll use microinverters like Enphase or Hoy miles, or possibly even an inverter like this that we have in testing right now. You may be asking yourself, what is that box you got there, Justin? Well, you're going to have to stick around and find out if this is going to be on our solar system or not. And if you're interested in seeing me wire this up, or if you would like to purchase these items yourself, I got some really good deals over on my website at DIYsolarbuilds.com. You can go to the shop, you can actually buy this and those racking system, and even what's included in that little box over there, and anything else that might help you save some money on your solar system. Be sure to check me out on YouTube at DIY Solar Builds. I'll catch you.